welding under the protection of argon gas seamlessly join the tank and core of all aluminum radiators. The welds are not only robust and aesthetically refined, but also ensure the tank and core bond like a single forged piece, enabling highly efficient heat transfer. Step 1. Argon tank setup. Connect 99% 99 high purity argon gas, creating an invisible protective shield for welding. Step 2. Welding torch assembly. Install the fine tungsten electrode. Prepare matching filler wire like a tailor selecting thread. Step 3. The welding process. Ignite the arc, a buzzing blue electric flame. Feed the wire with the left hand while moving the torch steadily with the right, stitching metal together. The robotic arm delivers plus or minus 0.03 millimeters repeatability, producing perfectly consistent fish scale welds. In the 1500 degrees Celsius inferno, weave a silvery fish scale armor, securing the cooling arteries of every engine. Step 4. Quality inspection. Good welds speak for themselves. Silvery, uniform fish scale patterns. Bad welds reveal flaws, blackened or porous spots, indicating gas leaks. Do it right, it'll last 20 years.